Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Now in today's video it's going to be, as you can see by the title, a huge Primark haul, but it's not your usual Primark haul. It's going to be their home stuff. Probably thinking random, very random, I know, but I don't know. I thought I'd mix it up a little bit, do a little bit of home. Me and Connor are slowly gathering stuff for moving out when we get our own home. Because we thought if we see stuff we love now, then why not get it? Because when it comes to buying an actual house, because the process takes so long, we thought why not just get it there and then, because otherwise it's going to be gone by the time we move out, and we're going to be thanking ourselves in the meantime, saving a lot of money, you know, gradually bringing it up. Anyway, let's not make this intro too long. If you aren't already, please consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more videos like this from me, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you love Primark hauls, or especially home hauls, because I'm just obsessed with interior design, you know, aesthetic stuff, and Primark have some staples in right now. So if you want to see what I got from Primark Home, then keep on watching. Okay, so I haven't just got one big bag, I've got two. So I have two of these big ass Primark bags. Of course, me and Connor went to Primark in Cardiff, but the home section, if you haven't been there yet, I advise you to go. It's on the very top floor, and it's the whole floor. Yeah, whole top floor is dedicated to home stuff now, and I appreciate that very much. What made me go to Primark was TikTok. Now I love watching home interior design aesthetic videos on TikTok showing like homeware stuff and the best places to find these things, and I can tell you now, I'll show you the item that I seen in that video, but I'm so glad that they got me to go. It's going to be very, very random. Yeah, we didn't really go into Primark specifically knowing that we were going to get these things, apart from the one thing that I'll show you. I literally thought I was just going to go in, spend £9 and go, but no, we ended up spending like £150 on stuff we're not going to use yet. But like I said, we're going to be thanking ourselves at the time when we actually do move, because we don't have to buy those things. We're just going to put it at the attic for now, and yeah, tick it off our list as we go. Every time we go to buy some stuff for the house, we always end up in the kitchen section. I don't know what it is, but yeah, we always get stuff for the kitchen, and we have been looking for some cups, plates and stuff that are matte black, because we want like a copper, black and maybe like white marble like theme in the kitchen. It might change, so we're just getting like black stuff for now because we know that we want that. But we've been looking high and low for like matte black sort of material mugs and stuff. So when we went into Primark, we were going to get some stuff from either Asda or Tesco's, but we thought our first cutlery, first plates and stuff, we don't want to go too fancy, and so we thought we'd just try Primark, because it's only going to be me and him living there, so why spend loads of money on plates and stuff when it's just going to be me and Connor there. But anyway, we bought the 4-pack of mugs. Now these, they look quite shiny on the camera. It must be the ring light, because they are more of that matte. I don't even know if it says matte, but they look more matte to me. But these were only £6, like £1.50 each basically. Let me get them out of the packaging for you, because the shape I actually got, it sold me. Such a cute size mug. Look at that, nice little handle. I love that size. It fits in my hand perfectly, and it's a decent size. It's quite short, narrow, and it's quite like a big circle, quite wide, is that the word? But yeah, I love those. I thought we could get like a mug stand and have them on display maybe, but we have said that we're not going to buy any more mugs because when we go abroad we like to collect mugs wherever we've been, which is annoying because we didn't do that in Cyprus. But yeah, these are the only mugs that we're going to get for now. And then we seen some more like stuff for the kitchen. So we got again the matte black 4 pasta bowls, perfect size for pasta dishes and salads, microwave safe and dishwasher safe. These were £7, which I thought was really good. Now again with the black theme, they are a little bit smaller than I thought, but look at that, that is literally the perfect size. And me and Connor are always over portioning ourselves, too big of a portion, but I thought that was so nice. Yeah, love those. Like I said, they're probably going to scratch a little bit more than like more expensive. We don't really mind that for our first house, you know. Love those, definitely worth £7, worth getting for £7. I'm going to change my battery. So the last sort of cutlery bits, I promise. So we bought a full set called the 12-piece dinner set, and it's ceramic place settings for 4, microwave safe and dishwasher safe as well. These were £18, so you get, I think it's 4 of each, or is it 2 of each? It says for 4, so I'm guessing 4 of each, which I thought was really good. Oh my god, this is so heavy. So they're a little bit dirty from the cardboard. These are the plates, so they sort of like curve, they need a good wash, but I love those. So the little ones, there is actually 4 of each. I didn't know that, I thought there was only 2 of each. That's good, because if we can't be bothered to do the washing up, we know there's another pair. 4 bowls. Oh, I love the size of these. They're so cute. Love those. Feel like Primark is definitely the place to go if you're like me and Connor and you're first time buyers. You just want to get, you know, simple stuff for now and then think about spenny stuff later on. Primark's definitely the place to go, I promise. If you have a Primark near you, I definitely recommend going and checking it out. We did go to H&M as well, and I got one of those vases that everyone's got. But anyway, that's a different thing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I might show you that at the end. I'll show you the 3 things that we got from H&M. We got a little throw. This is a 120cm by 150cm chenille throw, which is like one of my favourite textures, what's it called, fabrics. This was £9. I'm not going to unravel it because I want to keep it like this until we move, but I thought this would be really nice on the sofa maybe. Such a nice material, and for £9 I thought that was really good. They had some other colours as well, but I thought I'd just go neutral because obviously we don't know what sort of theme we're going to have yet, but yeah, I liked it, so I got it. I'm going to save the thing that I actually went into Primark for last. So the kitchen stuff, I promise. This is a 3-pack ceramic pinch bowls, which are black, of course. There's 3, like I just said. But we thought this would be good for when we have tortilla night. So we love our tortillas or like burritos. So we thought we'd put the dips in these, and amazing. So yeah. That's what they look like. They're kind of different to the other bowls that I showed you. They've got like lines, like a texture on them. Hopefully you can see that. But again, I'm going to keep them nice in the 3. These 2. So the next thing is, sorry, but this was £2.50. How amazing is that? You can put like a little flower in there, which I thought was so cute. I thought it would be lush in anywhere really, in the living room, in the bedroom, maybe by the front door. If we had like a little vanity table, what are they called? Console table, is it? something like that. Anyway, but they did have this in black as well, but I went with the white one. I'll show you why in a second. They did have fake flowers there, but I thought maybe at the time I can think more of what I want in there. But yeah, super cute vase, so small and dainty, love it. And for £2.50, probably see ones like that on Etsy for so much more expensive. And then to go with that, I got her. Look how beautiful. I think I did see this in the video as well on TikTok, but how beautiful is that? But I thought with some fake flowers or real flowers, a little vase. I have got my one, where is it? Oh, it's up there. That's from Amazon, but this one's longer. She's thick. Love it. This was a little bit more pricey. This was £8, but still I thought that was really good. The one I got off Amazon is smaller, and I think that was like £25, nearly £30, so amazing. Love that. Gotta try and not get it scratched now. But yeah, they did this in white as well. So then last but definitely not least, some people are gonna think, why the fuck did you buy that? But I absolutely love it. It's this gorgeous cushion. I thought on the video that it was a doorstop, but it's definitely not. It's definitely very light. But how beautiful is that? I don't have a clue where I'm going to put it, but I love it. I love it. It's got this gorgeous texture, fluffy texture to it. And it's a knot, and they call it ivory. This was £9. I will have to cut this off, I think, but I thought that was beautiful. So if you can get your hands on that, definitely get your hands on it. When I seen it, I nearly missed it. It was behind us, and I turned around and I was like, Connor, there it is. And he was like, oh, thank God for that, because he thought that we were gonna have to search everywhere. But no, I love it. It's such a strange item, but I love it. That is everything I have from Primark. I don't know how long this is going to be, so I'm going to add a few bits from H&M. I only have 3 things, but again, they're for the house, so why not? And don't expect moving vlogs anytime soon, because we're not moving yet. Firstly, I got this vase, of course. Look how beautiful that looks, and against my background, beautiful. This was £12.99. There was a bigger one which I really wanted to get, but that was like twice the price. It was like £24, £25. But I'm definitely considering getting that one. But I thought this looked beautiful, so I had to. Like I said, if I find something that I love, I'm definitely going to pick it up. Do you know what I mean? I definitely advise that as well. If you see something you love, definitely pick it up now. And if you know that you're going to be moving in the foreseeable future, saying to Connor, otherwise I'm going to regret it. And did Connor get any say in this? No, he didn't, apart from the kitchen stuff. He's like obsessed with the kitchen stuff. And then I just got 2 of the same pillow, which I've been seeing for ages. And before I got these pillows, these are from Primark as well, I was actually looking for these. Beautiful. So they're the same size. They're 50 by 50, I believe. Right there. 50 by 50. And look how gorgeous they are. Love those. I thought they could either go on the bed in the bedroom or on the living room sofa, whatever we fancy. And yeah, these are the same. Another one, matching one. So I thought, why not? And these were £20 each. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to IKEA, maybe closer to the date, and get pillow inserts. And I want the ones where you can karate chop the top of them, because I think that would look really, really nice. So yeah, I think we've got our aesthetic, our theme of the house. So neutral tones with a little bit of white, black, and maybe a little bit of like greenery like I've got up here, and obviously pampas grass and stuff. So yeah, that is all I've got today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did by thumbsing up this video, just so that lets me know if you want to see any more videos like this. Leave me a comment down below what your favourite item was, and if you'd go into Primark. if you're going to go to the home section, please do let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a little bit of inspo. And if you're moving out, please let me know. Again, comment down below if you are moving. I would love to know. Before you leave, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.